bidding the lawful and forbidding the unlawful. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We start with the name of Allah. When the Prophet received the revelation of prophethood, he began to call the people to Islam. The Prophet made reference to the state of ignorance prevalent at that time in Hadith, related by Muslim and others. He said, which means, when this religion started, it was strange to the people, and it shall be strange again as when it started. Extremely blessed at that time will be the strangers, those who correct what other people have contravened among the laws of the Prophet. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, "You are the best of the nation to come forth to the people, bidding the lawful and forbidding the unlawful." Rasulullah was narrated to have said, "Whomever amongst you sees an evil that is practiced, he must change it by his hand if he is incapable, with his tongue if he is incapable. He must hate that by the heart, and this being the minimum that faith requires." He ﷺ also said, "If you see my nation fearful of telling he who is unjust, you are unjust, then know the support of Allah is withdrawn from them." The Prophet ordered us to command the lawful and forbid the unlawful, also known as enjoining the good and forbidding the evil. He ﷺ also said, "He who does not respect the elderly amongst us is not merciful to the youngsters among us, and does not command the lawful and forbid the unlawful is not following our methodology." By this, we are responsible to clarify the truth and the path of Ahlus Sunnah wal Jama'ah, and to warn from the misguided groups and the people who deviated with the sayings from the true Sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to guide us to what is acceptable, enable us to be always steadfast on the path of the Prophet, and to be always protectors and defenders of the creed that the Prophet brought to the people. Ameen.